How to send USDT from OKX wallet to Phantom wallet. First thing you have to do is make sure that you have sufficient balance on your OKX wallet. So what you can do is from your OKX wallet, you can just head over to Solana because Phantom wallet only takes USDT in three forms. So if you just tap on receive here on your wallet, on your Phantom wallet, you can see it only takes Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon. So you could use the Solana address. Just go ahead and copy it. Once you copy the Solana address, go back to your OKX wallet and select USDT. Now tap on send. And then on the top here, you're going to have to select Solana. Scroll through the options, and once you make sure you find Solana, you can tap on send, and then you can paste the address there. Now you just confirm the address and enter the amount that you want to send in USDT. And once you've done that, just tap on send, tap on next, and your USDT will be sent from your OKX wallet to Phantom wallet. And it's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.